Hello friends, I am Ritu. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is very important topic. It is about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. This video will be helpful in the preparation of UGC NET, SET, KVS, NVS exam, state level librarian and assistant professor exam. In this class, we will discuss birth, education and career, contribution, honor and degree, and books of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Birth of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Dr. Shyali Ramamitra Ranganathan was born on August 9, 1892 to Ramamitram Iyer and Sita Lakshmi Amal at Shyali, Madras, and died on September 27, 1972 in Bangalore. In documents, his birth date is 12 August, so India celebrates August 12 as the Librarian Day in his honor. He is known as father of library science in India. Friends, Rukmini was his first wife's name. She died in an accident on 13 November 1928. Ranganathan married again to Sharda in December 1929. He was blessed with a son born on April 12, R. Yogeshwar, in 1932. Yogeshwar is engineer by profession. His primary education started at Hindu High School in Shyali. He passed his matriculation examination in 1909. He took up his BA in 1913 at Presidency College, Madras, and Masters in Mathematics in 1916. Ranganathan joined the junior intermediate class at the Madras Christian College in March 1909. Even in those days, there were paucity of college seats. Ranganathan was picked up for his excellent marks in all the subjects. His teaching career started with the Government Arts College, Mangalore, in 1917, and then he joined Presidency College in 1921. Ranganathan worked as an assistant lecturer in Government College, Mangalore, and Coimbatore between 1917 to 1921. After that, he joined the Presidency College, Madras as assistant professor in mathematics. In January 24, Ranganathan left Presidency College and took charge of Madras University. He joined as librarian. In 1925, he left for England in September to get trained in librarianship and completed 6 months education course in library science. Friends, it was a study cum observation tour from School of Librarianship, University of College London. He also got practice work experience in the Croydon Public Library under W.C.B. Sayers. From 1925 to 1944, he took up the job at Madras and 1945 to 1954 he served as librarian and as professor of library science at Hindu University in Varanasi. And from 1947 to 1954 he taught as professor in University of Delhi. From 1954 to 1957 he was engaged in research and writing in Zurich. He returned to India in the later years and served as visiting professor at Vikram University, Ujjain, and 1959. In 1962, he founded and became head of the Documentation Research and Training Center in Bangalore, with which he remained associated for the rest of the life. And in 1965 he was honored by the Indian government within the title of National Research Professor in Library Science. He started the Library Science Department in the year 1931 at Madras University. He founded ILA in 1933. Dr. Ranganathan received Lit degree from Delhi University in the year 1948 and from the Pittsburgh University in the year 1964. In recognition of unique service in the library science, he founded the Sardar Ranganathan Endowment of Library Science in 1963. He was also nominated as National Research Professor of Library Science in 1965. Ranganath was the chairman of Classification Research Group in the International Federation of Documentation between 1950 to 1962. He wrote 60 books and almost 2000 articles. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan formulated 5 laws of library science in 1928 at Meenakshi College. Anna Malaigar published as book in 1931 with the foreword of Sir P.S. Shivaswamy Iyer and an introduction by W.C.B. Sayers and published by Madras Library Association. He wrote colon classification in the year 1933, which is based on Hindu philosophy. Colon classification was published by Madras Library Association. He developed the concept of librometry in 1948. That is application of statistics in library science. Ranganathan's honors and degrees. Padma Shri in 1957, Government of India. Rao Sahab 1935, given by Government of India. National Research Professor 1965, Government of India. Margaret Mann Award 1970, ALA. DLIT 1948, Delhi University. DLIT 1964, Pittsburgh University. Postal Stamp 1992, Government of India at the IFLA Conference. Father of Library Science in India, Maurice Geyer. Prince among the librarian, Maurice Geyer. was awarded the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India for valuable contribution to the library science. In 1962, Ranganathan proposed using a Libra chime which used a motor van instead of the puller cart, having a professional librarian and librarian to assess remote area. Government of India released a postal stamp in S.R. Ranganathan honor at the official opening of IFLA General Conference on August 1992. Books of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. The 5 Laws of Library Science 1931, Colon Classification, First edition 1933, Classified Cataloging Code 1934, Library Administration 1935, Prolegomena of Library Classification 1937, Colon Classification 2nd edition 1939, Suggestion for the Organization of the Libraries in India 1946, Colon Classification 3rd edition 1950, Classification and Communication 1951, Philosophy of Library Classification 1951, Library Manual 1951, Library Book Selection 1952, Colon Classification 4th edition 1952, Heading and Canons 1955, Prolegomena of Library Classification 2nd edition 1957, Colon Classification 5th edition 1957, Colon Classification 6th edition 1960, Reference Services 1961, Documentation and its Facets 1963, Library Books Selection 2nd edition 1966, Prolegomena of Library Classification 3rd edition 1967, Documentation, Genesis and Development 1973. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan is considered to be the father, the doyen, the Messiah of library and information science profession in India. Thanks for watching.